Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. Many businesses have long assumed that once a customer sends a WhatsApp message, replies within the 24-hour customer service window are free. But starting in the second half of 2026, this logic is changing. Service messages that used to be free will officially enter the pricing scope. If your team uses WhatsApp for support, after-sales service, AI auto-replies, or ticket handling, this update will directly affect your messaging costs. There are 3 key dates in this update. On July 1st, 2026, Meta launched the Meta Business Agent platform, allowing partners and direct integration customers to access it through API. Starting August 1st, 2026, Meta Business Agent messages will be charged by token. More importantly, starting October 1st, 2026, service messages inside the 24-hour customer service window will be charged per message, and utility messages sent in response to users inside the window will also be charged. In other words, the messages businesses used to treat as part of a free support window now need to be included in the budget. Under the current rules, non-template messages sent within the 24-hour customer service window are usually service messages. But with the introduction of Meta Business Agent, non-template messages will be divided into 2 categories. One is service messages, which can be sent by human agents or third-party AI solutions, as long as they are not powered by Meta Business Agent platform. The other is Meta Business Agent messages, powered by Meta Business Agent platform as a new message category. This distinction matters because it directly affects how messages are charged. It's important to note that the 24-hour customer service window itself is not disappearing. When a user sends a message to a business, the window still opens and resets when the user sends another message. Starting October 1st, 2026, service messages inside the window will be charged per message, and utility messages sent in response to users inside the window will also be charged. Service message rates will vary by market and will be the same as utility and authentication message rates. This affects many support scenarios that happen every day. In the past, businesses mainly focused on the cost of marketing, utility, and authentication template messages. Going forward, service conversations themselves also need to be included in budget planning. This update does not mean businesses should stop using AI customer service. AI agents and automation can still improve response speed, reduce human workload, and improve customer experience. But businesses need to understand the cost structure. If using a third-party AI solution, there may be AI service fees plus WhatsApp message fees. If using Meta Business Agent, Meta charges Meta Business Agent messages by token. According to the latest policy, the global price is $2 per 1 million tokens. A single message usually consumes around 20,000 to 25,000 tokens, or roughly 4 to 5 cents per message. One point can be confusing. Conversations started through click to WhatsApp ads or Facebook page CTA buttons will still open a 72-hour free entry window. During this window, message delivery fees remain free. However, if a business uses Meta Business Agent to reply to customers, the tokens consumed by AI-generated replies will still be charged. To summarize, the 24-hour customer service window is not disappearing, but the idea that messages inside the window are free is changing. In the future, service messages, utility messages inside the window, and Meta Business Agent messages will all affect customer support and automation costs. YCloud can help businesses review message categories, window rules, and AI agent usage based on real business scenarios, so they can better understand the cost structure of WhatsApp support. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.